It's day 7, my last day. I didn't vlog much yesterday because there wasn't really that much that we were getting up to. We weren't really doing much, just sitting around. Same as today really, we're just packing ready to go back tomorrow. But we're going out to just buy random things. I bought a squishy yesterday of a strawberry, and I bought Dad one of a cake because he liked my strawberry, kept taking my strawberry. Here you go, Dad, have your cake. These ice creams are the best. Because it's our last day. Getting another one of my favourite ice creams. Because they don't have them in England. And obviously because it's frozen, I can't take it back to England and just stock up. So I have to just, I don't know, just enjoy them whilst I can, I guess. I got 2 tokens for the air hockey machine. Let's go. My dad is way too competitive, by the way. Just about to go off to the beach now. Just because it's our last day, we want to kind of, I don't know, say one last goodbye to the beach, I guess. Woo! Look at that. And once again, I forgot my sunglasses, because that's really clever. Not. Yeah, my dad's lying on the beach, and my mom's in the hotel room packing. So that's good. That's really good. Can't believe we leave here tomorrow. I think 5 days would have been enough instead of a week. This is so long. Like, it's great, but oh, water. But it's so long. And as well, because the kids have like finished school now, this place is way busier than when we first got here. Like, way busier. Like the difference now. Oh my god, honestly. My dad doesn't like it because I put all stones on his arm. I said it's because he rocks. He's not impressed. Dad's on the beach getting stoned.
Stone the crows.
He's getting stoned. Daddy is stoned.
Stone me.
Stone. Looks like a rocky end to this vacation. We're gonna walk along the beach a bit more now. We've just been sat down. I've been listening to some rock music, you know. It's all good. I just made a little friend. Look. Isn't he lovely? So lovely. Got a little snail on my arm. Just chilling, you know, having a good time. It's a lovely snail. Been telling me all about his day. He's been climbing on a few leaves and not having much to do. So, thought we might hang out for a bit. Yeah. My mom's going to go mad at me when she finds out I made friends with a snail. Like, 'cause I'm gonna bring it in the hotel room. She won't be very impressed, will she? No. at it. It's a nice snail. I got to the hotel room and my mum didn't approve of Richard. So, run free, Richard. Run free. Even though you have a shell, the world is your oyster. So we've just been for lunch after Richard's departure. And I'm supposed to be packing, but I'm procrastinating by squeezing a strawberry squishy. So, that's good. Well, I guess I'd better pack now.
Declan DP. Ready? Breathe.
My dad's really hyper. We're in the pool now.
We're in the pool. Woohoo!
Ignore him. He's being
Film
annoying.
me jumping in.
No, Dad.
Such a bore.
This weather is so like hit and miss. Like, I'm a wuss when it comes to like cold water, so I'm pretty cold, but it's not that bad. Because every day I come down here and I look at the pool and I'm just like, nope. I know. Yeah, I'm just going to swim around a bit. We're going on the green water slide. I made a friend, this is Lola. She's from London area. And we're going to go down this slide. It goes quick! I'm trying to slow it down. That's perfect. This is perfect speed. Yes! Didn't get my head under. To Lola.
I didn't want to go that fast because I know what's going to happen. I'll probably bang my head on the floor or something.
Honestly,
I didn't want to go fast.
I went really quick.
Yeah.
I went too quick.
You've got rubber shoes on, which helps you.
Helps you what?
Helps you to slow down because the rubber sticks.
No. The way I did it, but once I went back, woof.
I didn't want to go that fast because I know what's going to happen. I'll probably go down, bang my foot on the floor. Because you know it's not very safe,
Yeah.
here.
Oh, it's going quicker this time. I'll slow myself down. You know what I'm like? I don't like going underwater, so I know I'm a wuss. Oh, my life. Yes. Gotta move. giraffe. Because we're trying out this really shallow kiddie pool thing. Quite cool actually. Yeah, it feels like balloons at the bottom. Do you know what I did? There's basically some skewers of pizza on it, and it was like decoration.
It's like for display.
Yeah, it's for display.
Not to eat it.
It's over there. Just zoom in. Over there, yeah. And I got it off the display, and I was like, oh, this is interesting. They've done funny shapes tonight. I went and I took a bite out of it. It was like cardboard. I was like, oh, that's disgusting. My dad was just like, oh, I'll eat it. He tried it. It was rock hard. It was disgusting. But he ate the whole thing. And then I told them where I got it from, and they were just like, oh my god. They've got actual pizza out now in the proper place. They didn't have it out before, so there you go, my mistake. Oh, it's my last dinner here. Gosh, the time's gone quick, but it's also gone slow as well. Like it's really weird. Do you know what I did? There's basically some skewers of pizza on it, and it was like decoration.
It's like for display.
Yeah, it's for display.
Not to eat it.
It's over there. Just zoom in. Over there, yeah. Got it off the display, and I was like, oh, this is interesting. They've done funny shapes tonight. I went and I took a bite out of it. It was like cardboard. I was like, oh, that's disgusting. My dad was just like, oh, I'll eat it. He tried it. It was rock hard. It was disgusting. But he ate the whole thing. And then I told them where I got it from, and they were just like, oh my god. They've got actual pizza out now in the proper place. They didn't have it out before, so there you go, my mistake. Just going for a bit of a walk, a final walk around Sunny Beach. What a great vacation. There's this amazing place where a guy paints portraits from a photograph. Like, how amazing is that? Like, I would get it done if it wasn't for like bringing it back in storage, like in the suitcase. Wow, it's amazing. I'm outside the 5-star Victoria Palace Hotel. On the outside it looks absolutely amazing, but the reviews on TripAdvisor for that hotel are so bad. So if you're watching this and you're thinking of coming to Bulgaria and you want to book 5-star, don't book the Victoria Palace, just letting you know, because oh my god, the reviews, like just go on TripAdvisor and type in Victoria Palace, Bulgaria, Sunny Beach, and oh my god, you will see for yourself. Me and my dad have decided to go for a round of mini golf. So let's see how this goes. Just letting you know, I haven't played mini golf for like ever. So yeah. That's fun. Here's the second one. I'm gonna set up the camera for the second one now.
Oh, this looks a hard one.
3. That's 4 here.
You're doing well.
4. You are doing